Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get small amount gems in the store. So what you need to do first is tap the store and go to this FC point and gems. Tap the gems and this one. You can get small amount of gems by gems ads pack. You can watch the ads and get small amount 100 gem, and also you can complete the offer by earn gem, or you can get more gem from division rifles. This one gems limited offer, you can get 1500 gems and can be used to get item pack and store offer by exchange with this competitive points that can be used to get some store offer. And also you can get this competitive point by playing PvP modes versus attack, head-to-head, manager mode, and league tournament. So please playing more, like playing more in division rifles or watching ads every day to get more of gems. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. Enjoy the game.